We are going outside today. Hi, Na. Where are you going?
Chocolate ice cream and chocolate bar.
Wow, let's go there.
Please.
Biscuit, this is biscuit. This one. No? This one, no? And my favorite. Cookie. This one or dark one? Cookie. 나중에 뭘 없어, 저기. No, no, Hennah. Wow. Cherry blossom, look na, flowers. Spring has come. Second to my favorite season in Korea. And definitely every girl's favorite. Because of the flower named cherry blossom. In Korea, they called it butkot. Blooms last week of March and lasts until second week of April. If you think about it, it's not gonna last at least 1 month. That's the sad part. So when it's bloom, people take advantage to take lots of pictures and enjoy life outdoor. Because the weather is not cold like winter and not hot like summer. It's about 13 to 17 degrees Celsius. Perfect temperature in the afternoon but cold at night. The disadvantage of this weather temperature is you can easily catch a cold. Dogs! Yes. So cute. We're here at the riverside again, guys. Actually, it's been a while. We could not able to do walking here, but now with Hennah, let's do some walking, exercise. It's sunny today. It's so beautiful weather. And not so many people around, so it's nice. You saw duck?
Yeah, beautiful duck. Because they're going to have.
Going to house now? What she did?
Swimming.
Swimming?
In the river.
In the river. It's been a while, guys, that I could not able to do exercise here, to come and visit this river, because I was so afraid about the coronavirus. But here is safe, not so many people, and we need vitamin D or sunlight, so I have to go out. We have to go out with baby hands. It's time for a snack. First, let's eat this Hennah ice cream. Hennah, gonna? Okay. Cheers! Yeah! Oh no!
Yummy.
Yan, may thumbs up.
Maraming chocolate. And maraming beef.
Wow. Then,
Tayo.
Yay! Hennah dance without music.
In my experience, every spring season there's cherry blossom festival where you can see lots of cherry blossom trees and lots of people like ant because of the amount of people outside. Koreans and foreigners taking pictures, selling street foods, and selling different handmade stuff. Also, there's a music band. Everybody had so much fun.
April 3, 2016, and we're going to watch a cherry blossom. Teriyaki, cards, and case. They sell abobot. Phone case. Oh, look, very cute. Tingnan nyo guys, merong ano. Ito yung clown. Wow! Hi!
Then today, walking. Tomorrow again, we will try to go there because there's a lot of cherry blossoms over there. So tomorrow, let's try to go. We're home now.